The development of yoga has benefited many people in losing weight in a healthy way. In this video, we are talking about the best yoga poses to lose weight. So watch until the last. Many people believe that yoga alone does not promote weight loss. Yoga proves that it helps to weight loss along with keeping your mind and body healthy. Yoga increases your mindfulness and how you relate to your body. You will start seeking out of food that is increase your fat accumulation. Stresses can have a devastating effect on your body and the mind. Most times stress is the main cause of weight gain. Physical benefits of yoga combined with stress management help a person to lose weight and maintain physical and mental health. Yoga does not always result in weight loss immediately, as these poses are simple. These yoga poses mainly focus on building body flexibility, improving concentrations, and building your muscle tones. So, some of the yoga poses and yoga tips for weight loss are given below. Plank pose is the best way to strengthen your core, as simple as it looks. Its benefits are immense. It is only when you are in the pose that you start to feel its intensity on your abdominal muscles. Toning your thighs and shoulders as well as improving your concentration has become more accessible and interesting with the warrior pose. The more you hold the pose, the better the result and gain. With just a few minutes of warrior pose, you will get a tighter quads. The triangle poses help to improve digestion as well as reduce the fat deposited in the belly and waist. It stimulates and improves the blood circulation in the entire body. The lateral motion of the poses helps you burn more fat from the waist and build more muscles in the thighs and hamstrings. Though this pose does not make your muscles shake as others do, it does give you the benefits that other poses do. It also improves balance and concentrations. Downward dog pose tones your whole body with a little extra attention to specific muscles. It helps to strengthen your arms, thighs, hamstrings, and back. Holding this pose and concentration on your breathing engages your muscles and tones them as well as improve your concentration and blood circulation. Shoulder stand come with multiple benefits from increasing your strength to improve your digestion, but it is known for boosting metabolism and balancing thyroid level. Shoulder stands strengthen the upper body abdominal muscle and legs and also improve the respiratory system and improving sleep. This pose have multiple benefits is the bridge pose. It is excellent for glutes thyroid as well as weight loss. It improves muscle tones, digestion, regulates the hormone, improves thyroid level, and it is also strengthen your back muscles and reduce back pains. The twisted chair pose is also called the yoga's version of squat, but you must know that it is a little more intense and tones the abdominal muscles. Works the squats and glutes. The pose also improves the limb system and the digestion system. Are you looking for the best way to lose that belly fat? Bow pose helps massage the abdominal organs, improve digestion and strengthen the thighs, chest and backs. It will stretch your whole body, strengthens and tones your muscles with improved blood circulations. Sun salutations does more than warm up your muscles and get the blood flowing. It will stretches the tone muscles and of major muscles, trims the waist, tone the arms, stimulates the digestive system and balance the metabolisms. Yoga is an Indian form of mind and body has significant benefits for all. From people who are obsessed and want to shed weight to people who want to relax, yoga is an age-old treatment for well-toned and healthy body and a stress-free mind. It not only aids the weight loss but also promotes a balanced physical and mental well-being.